the previous indoor sound comparison between the JBL Boombox 3 and the Zealot S89, we're able to find out which one actually played better indoor. So we're going to take both speakers outside. Let's see which one does it better in an open space. So for that reason, I recommend use a headphone or you play from a good speaker so you know which one actually played better. And if you'd like to check out the previous sound comparison we did between both speakers, the indoor sound comparison, then check out this video right here. I'm going to be putting it on top of my head, somewhere around the top of my head. And for the sake of time, I'm not going to jump into details regarding their features. If you want to know more about their features, price, all that stuff, you can actually check out the unboxing videos of these speakers in this channel. I've got links to those videos in the description below, and for purchase link, you can check out the description as well. I advise you stay to the end because I'm going to be sharing my opinion with you guys at the end of this video. And if you want to know what I said regarding the indoor sound comparison, they should go check out that video. The Zealot S89 is insane. That speaker is massive. It's a very good competition. When it comes to outdoor sound comparison, it all falls down to which one can cover the whole space, which one is louder, which one has more bass, which one can fill up the whole environment. So we're going to find out which one among these two speakers can do that better. I've seen cases where speakers that actually did well indoor, they turn out to be a mess when you just take them outside. So outdoor sound comparison, outdoor use, whatever you want to call it, is a whole different thing entirely.
Both speakers are going to be playing on mid volume and on max volume during this comparison. I'm going to be using different beats, and I'm sure different sounds are going to bring different results. The purpose of this sound comparison is to see how both speakers stack up against each other in an outdoor space. The JBL Boombox 3 being the most portable one here, will it actually defeat the mighty big Zealot S89? Well, let's find out. Quickly, I'm going to say this. One thing I love so much about Zealot speakers is the light feature. The light feature on the Zealot S89 is an impressive one. And the beautiful thing is that if you're not a fan of the light, there's a button where you can actually turn it off or turn it on. Trust me, when you're in the mood to go crazy, you definitely want to turn those lights on. The display is impressive.
Both speakers with their rugged design, they are good for indoor use and outdoor use. And of course, both speakers are waterproof, so you can actually take them to the beach, wherever you want to go. You can actually take them on the go. The JBL Boombox 3 is more portable compared to the Zealot S89. I wish the Zealot S89 was not as big as it is, but however, it's still portable, just bigger than the JBL Boombox 3. If you find this video helpful or if you find this video interesting, do it to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. And don't forget to drop your opinion in the comment section or let me know your thoughts regarding the sound comparison we're about to do right now. So without further ado, let's go.
Normal EQ, 50% volume. Check it out. Let's go. 100% volume, normal EQ. Let's go. Both of these two speakers sound great. The instrument separation on both speakers is okay. But however, the JBL Boombox 3 seems to be more neat, but the Zealot S89 is not far behind, as the difference in sound is not that obvious because both speakers sounds amazing. The mids, the high, the low on both speakers is okay. And in my opinion, both of these speakers are okay for outdoor use and indoor use as well. So one thing we've been able to accomplish with this outdoor comparison is to hear the sound difference between these two boombox speakers from two different brands. Both of them are really loud. And regarding battery life, the Zealot takes the win in that category. And with the light feature on the Zealot, which I really find useful, I think it's definitely better for party. The JBL Boombox 3 here is also good for party, but the light feature on the Zealot S89 and the loud sound from that speaker makes it the best choice when it comes to party, safe party, public party, whatever the case may be. And like I said earlier, the JBL Boombox 3 is also good for party as well. But because of the calm sound from the JBL Boombox 3, I also love playing this speaker when I'm by myself because the speaker actually gives a very neat sound. I have to give credit to the newer Zealot speakers because back in the days when I compare Zealot speakers with the JBL speakers, most of those old Zealot speakers lack the ability to deliver good bars when playing on mid volume. You only get to enjoy good bars when you crank it up to 100% volume. So that's one downside for Zealot before, but now Zealot speakers, the newer ones, they get to deliver good bass even when you're playing at mid volume, and the overall sound is a lot more better than before. I gotta give it to the Zealot S89 because this speaker is way more cheaper compared to the JBL Boombox 3, but the Zealot S89 still stands its ground despite being the cheapest here. So I'm gonna say the Zealot S89 is definitely worth it, just as long as you maintain the standard EQ mode or the vocal boost EQ mode, because the bass EQ not so great. So as long as you are playing on the normal EQ mode or the vocal boost EQ mode, which has a decent amount of bass, you're definitely good to go. So that's it, you've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, peace and love.